I am walking on the bottom of a river. What a strange place. All right, just a little ways up from the bridge is the Darrington Trail. So this goes pretty far that way, down to a peninsula and Folsom Lake proper. And this way takes me to the new Salmon Falls Bridge, which I think it'd be kind of cool to say I did a loop on that. So rather than make it an out and back to the lake, I'm gonna make it a loop, bridge loop. This will probably be the last sighting of the bridge. Now that there is what we like to call a widowmaker. The Darrington Trail is a great little hiking trail, but it is also very popular for mountain biking, for people that actually know how. It doesn't look so bad at this speed, but when you are not a good biker, this trail just feels like it's beating you to death most of the time. You come to things like this, you're supposed to climb up that, ride down that. This is about the area of the trail where I gave up on mountain biking with clipless pedals. First time I was out here was actually with my pastor. First time I ever swore in front of a priest, as far as I know. About the second or third time I ate it out here because of those clipless pedals. Finally decided it was not for me. Anyway, right now it is beautiful out here. Just the contrast with the dark wood of these oaks and the dark dirt. It's very cool. So this is basically what this land would have looked like for the dam. Okay, so this is a trip. I just passed some people and asked them what that bridge was, and they said it was the Old Salmon Falls Bridge. And I'm like, no, the Salmon Falls Bridge is what is behind me. Whoa, Okay, this is freaking me out. You guys saw that bridge, right? What is happening right now? Okay, I'm going back. Oh my gosh, did I just get turned around? I think I did. Oh my gosh, I am an idiot. So I came around here. I guess I just spaced and didn't realize I'd gone around the corner. And I thought I was looking upriver and I'm looking downriver. Wow, that's embarrassing. This is why you carry a compass. There's the river, such as it is. I'm just going to keep going until I come to the new bridge. If I remember right, it seems like it's not too far past this area. Probably hard to see on this video because it's pretty far out there, but there's a metal suspension looking bridge. Way down the river there, that is the new Salmon Falls Bridge. Beautiful. Parking lot and the beginning of the other trail. Alright, I have reached the end of the Darrington Trail, or at least this section of it. I don't know if it goes further. But the idea here is to come down to the road, cross the bridge, go down to that parking lot, get back on trail on the opposite side of the river, and back to the car. All right, lunch is done. It's about 1:15 or so. Just had some nice cool filet mignon. Thanks, Mom. I'm gonna check out this ditch thing here because it's a thing. Check this out. It's a trip thinking that if this, you know, is original to the area, if it's from gold rush times, and I don't even know what it is, so I can't be sure. This thing's like 175 years old if it is. It's kind of amazing to think that so many generations have gone by. I know that they built quite a few diversions before Folsom Dam was built to deliver water to different areas downriver. So this might just be part of those. I'm kind of guessing that's what it is, that it's probably not gold rush technology, but it's still old and cool. It would be so neat to be able to find some pictures of what this looked like when it was new and working. Anyway, so you can see the Salmon Falls Bridge up there. If you can see far up ahead, the upper line is the Darrington Trail that I came in on, and the lower line on this side of the river is the trail that I'm taking. According to the map, it goes pretty much right back to where I parked. Oh no! Oh, I hate these things. So this trail, I guess by virtue of being on the kind of inside curve of the river and having no elevation gain or loss and being almost perfectly straight, cuts your time in like a third getting back. It's been a worthy 4 hours. Alright, I am back on Sweetwater Trail. So I'm just going to cruise back to the car now and head out to the next adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you mind giving it a like? And if you're not a subscriber, why don't you subscribe to the channel? I'd love to take you along with my other adventures. Till next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.